This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering devices and pairing the remote so volume commands route correctly. Hold the home button for about 10 seconds until pairing mode starts. You do this because the remote needs a secure link to the Fire TV. Once paired, make sure the Fire TV recognizes it by checking the on-screen confirmation. Now that the hardware handshake is complete, you're ready to assign volume control. This step ensures signals go to your TV or receiver rather than only to the Firestick. You navigate settings to tell the Firestick where to send volume signals. Go to Controllers and Bluetooth devices, pick your remote, then set up equipment. This lets you choose TV or receiver as the target. Follow the on-screen IR or HDMI-CC tests. Press volume buttons when prompted so the Firestick can learn your device's responses. Once the test succeeds, make sure to save the configuration. This step matters because teaching the remote avoids conflicts and enables consistent volume control across inputs. You finish by testing volume across apps and inputs to confirm reliability. Try volume up, down, and mute while switching sources. If something fails, rerun the setup equipment flow because teaching can fail on first pass. Make sure HDMI-CC is enabled on your TV and receiver so commands travel over HDMI. Some TVs label it differently. If problems persist, replace the batteries, repair the remote, or factory reset the remote as a last resort. These fixes resolve most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.